In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Temu, a platform that could become your new go-to for finding a wide array of products. Whether you're new to online shopping or just looking for a new resource to add to your repertoire, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to get you started. First, let's begin by heading over to Temu. Temu can be easily accessed through your preferred web browser. Simply type in the web address and wait for the platform to load. It's as simple as loading any other web page you visit regularly. Once the page is loaded, you'll find yourself on the Temu homepage. This is your starting point for exploring everything the site has to offer. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, because a well-structured homepage is the gateway to a successful shopping experience. You'll notice various categories and featured products highlighted prominently, giving you a taste of what's trending. Next, it's time to browse and select a product. This is arguably the most fun part because it's when you get to explore what the site offers. You can either browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific items you're interested in. As you look around, pay attention to the product details that catch your eye. If you see something intriguing, click on it to learn more. Each product will have a dedicated page with images, a description, specifications, pricing, and sometimes even user reviews. This information is crucial in helping you make an informed decision about your purchase. Once you've settled on a product you'd like to further explore, you might want to capture the details for future reference. To do this, simply right-click on the product video if one is available and click Save Video As. This option allows you to save the video details to your device, making it easier to revisit them whenever you need. Saving key product information can be a handy way to compare with other similar products or discuss with friends who might have insights to offer. And there you have it. You're done. It's a straightforward process, really. From browsing the site to selecting the product you're interested in, each step is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. With a service like Temu, online shopping becomes an experience rather than just a transaction. Hopefully, this guide provides you with the confidence and tools needed to start exploring Temu thoroughly. Feel free to spend some time experimenting with different searches and categories, and you might just find some unexpected gems along the way. Thanks for joining me on this brief tour, and happy shopping!